So what is 365 Backup? It's a SaaS service provided by Microsoft that's built into the 365 portal to back up your existing 365 data. And this currently is for SharePoint data, OneDrive data, and Exchange mailboxes. And it does this by backing up to an Azure storage location of your choosing. How does it work? Again, as I said, it uses Azure storage in the background, so to speak, but this is actually invisible, unlike if you would create this Azure storage yourself, because it's managed by Microsoft. However, it's used to determine the cost of the backup. There's jobs in the background after setting this up that run according to static recovery points. So currently there's no existing point-in-time backups built into the 365. Microsoft replicates data across different regions and data centers just for disaster recovery. However, if there's any 365 data that is deleted by accident or maliciously, you have no recovery from this at the moment. Essential 8 Level 1 states backups of data and application settings are synchronized to enable restoration to a common point of time. So enabling this product fixes both of these points. So currently the maximum retention period for 365 backups is up to 1 year. Anything longer, I would say Microsoft would recommend using the purview retention hold settings. And this secures your data for any longer legal requirement. Recovery points in 365 backups are every 10 minutes for the last 2 weeks, and weekly snapshots are done 2 to 52 weeks prior. So costs for 365 backups are around 22 Australian cents per gigabyte backed up, and Microsoft provide an Excel calculator where you can input your existing usage gathered from the 365 dashboard to estimate your initial and future costs. And you can access that Excel file in the link below.